Today I'll show you how to launch and deploy a Robomussel. There's a couple of things you need to launch the Robomussel. First you need the Robomussel, then you need the Hobo shuttle, and last but not least, you need the modified shuttle coupler. To make a modified coupler, you need to saw off the brim of the coupler 2D. You can do this with a Dremel. You can carefully go around and saw off that brim. You must be careful because there's a magnet located right here. And you do not want to saw this off, or else connection will not be made between the Robomussel and the shuttle. Once you have the modified coupler, we're now ready for connection with the Robomussel. Because we don't have the brim, we use a ring stand and a clamp to stabilize the Robomussel on top of the shuttle. For connection, the LED lights on the Robomussel must match up with the hole on the coupler. And the hole on the Robomussel must match up with this gap on the coupler. This is because there's a magnet right here and right here, and they need to match up next to each other for the LEDs to turn on and the connection to be made. If there's no connection made between the Robomussel and the shuttle, we might need to move the Robomussel around or increase the intensity of the LED. To do so, we applied a small amount of lubrication, in this case vegetable oil, on top of the two LEDs. We used a toothbrush and we applied the oil right on the LED, and this should increase the intensity and the connectivity of the Robomussel. To deploy a Robomussel, we want to deploy it inside a mussel bed. We usually like to deploy it vertically and not horizontally. We use C-spar cement as a means of attaching the Robomussel onto the rocks. You want to avoid putting C-spar close to the LED lights, as we need the LED lights for connections with the computer. So we put C-spars on the bottom of the Robomussel well away from the LED lights. We take a small chunk of C-spar and we wrap it to the base of the Robomussel, and we push it in vertically inside a mussel bed for proper deployment.